Morning everybody, welcome to day 5 on the Cape Wrath Trail. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I've just finished packing up the tent. I was camped just there. You can see the light green spot. I was just camped there. It's all cleaned up now at the Morbit campsite. Just get myself woken up a bit, a little bit sore. I've got like a little swollen. It's above my ankle, but not below my shin, so it's like in the middle there. I've got a swollen section. Don't know what it is, probably a tendon or something that's a little bit swollen. Last night it was pretty swollen. This morning it's gone down, so I'm pretty happy about that. So hopefully it's just a walk-off injury. I've put some Savalon on it, some cream. Sorry, not Savalon. I put some painkiller cream on it that you rub into, and that's really numbed it up right now. So hopefully that will get me going through today. I got my toe injury, but it is what it is. Hopefully that just kind of just keeps the way it is right now, so I can keep walking. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the backpack packed up and get moving to the Falls of Glomach. And tonight we're staying in a bothy, so it'll be clean and dry. So I got some stuff to dry out in the bothy. So it's about 14, 15 miles today, so it's not too bad. So we'll get moving, and I'll see you guys on the trail. Foot pack to Glomach Falls. That's us. Off we go over the bridge. It's too early for a swing. It's 6:30. I'm not doing it. Oh, sorry, 7 o'clock. I'm not doing it. Now we're heading up here. Got some beautiful houses up here. Crikey. I want to live there. Anyway, back to walking, Charles. Nice, beautiful little open landscape. Now we just come through a fence back there, a gate, and opened up. It's really nice. Good, easy walking so far. Backpack's a little heavier this morning because of the resupply. Got all more food, so slows you down a bit. Another sign telling us the direction of the falls through this valley down here and then up. A nice little bridge crossing here. Crystal clear waters below us. Beautiful, look at that. Oh man. Water running down. Some bluebells on the side here. Pretty. Very pretty section of trail this is. Very fun to walk through. A little bit uphill now though. Gotta get the sticks in. Just come up a pretty good stretch of uphill there. Now we're coming across a little bridge here. Walking with the dudes, the fellas as we say. Got some hills all around us. Just heading to the falls. Just made it to the top. About I want to say 800-foot climb that was from the down to by that bridge we just crossed. This is heading towards the falls now, so we're hugging the path against the wall here, I mean the mountain here, and then climbing up and then over to the falls. Getting there. On our way down to the Falls of Glomach. Leonard's Eager. Beautiful scenery. All right, coming down to the falls. Sun has come out. It was not scheduled to come out today. There was nothing on the forecast about sunshine, and it is out. Look how glorious this is. Oh. Loving it. The noise you're hearing behind me is two Belgian fellas chatting. It's awesome. So yeah, we're heading down almost to the base of the falls now. I can see the water rapids at the base of the falls there. Very cool. All right. Falls of Glomach are coming into sight.
This is where we head down. It's a little bit boggy through here. A little bit. Not too bad. Not to get wait. It's looking very, very challenging right now when you see it from this distance in person. Probably not the path is more over here. Sun is still out. All right, here we come. Got the river coming down, the creek running down to the falls. So I see the path that we need to take because I need to stay up high. Wow. Look at that. All right, I got to look at my navigation now to make sure I hit the right trail because there's two trails here. There is a lookout one where you can get a better view of the falls, but then there's the trail we need to go, which stays up high. So I need to look at my map to make sure I'm in the right location. All right, this is the path, the high path through the falls of Glomach. Stick to this one. There is a few little hairy bits apparently, but I think we'll be okay. It's a quick view of underneath, looking back at the falls. Epic, just epic. Oh, okay, let's keep moving. A few of the little gnarly bits, but not that bad if you take your time.
Said we'll go and climb this first.
Got another epic swimming pool. Can't go swimming though. Just crossing the stream here. A few people about. Beautiful. Waterfall in the back there. Beautiful. Just climbing from the waterfall down there, going down the gorge outside here. Water all below us down there. And the two guys going up over top. Walking through the valley here, about to come up on what they call the Iron Lodge. I'm gonna take a lunch break there now. It's dead on 12 o'clock now. And then take a 20-minute break and then head over to the Bothy after that. Then we got about 4 miles to the Bothy once we get to the Iron Lodge. Just left the Iron Lodge now, heading up the hill. Spinning around, going left up here, heading towards into the Bothy. It's not far now. Getting there, should be there in the next few hours, I would imagine. Put my feet up and have a break. I'm finished. Well, I won't have a break, I'll be finished. Slowly getting there. Lots of climbing, lots of climbing. It's very desolate up here. Getting a little bit of rain. Not too much though. Making it. things now that we've been doing. They're quite not underspaced. Yeah. Low, very low. Yeah, let's cross this one. You can just see the locking down there now. Zoom in on it. There you go. We're almost there. It's just over that hill. Wild countries. Sun's kind of out, but not really. Anyway, about 15 minutes, I think we'll make it. Alright, there's the first sight of the bothy. That's the one we're sleeping in tonight. Been fully refilled. Fresh coat of paint, as you can see. Really bright. Nice lock in the back. Alright, just wanted to show you guys the bothy. I'm all packed up, got a nice room in here with the guys. It's really good. Show you some views. The lock-in that's out in front of us. It's a person camping. Got a new person coming in now. This is a beautiful bothy. It's a great place to stay. Oh, I'm filming. Oh.
Just watching her go on the path.
Yeah, where's she at?
She is. Feel where the water really starts.
Yes.
Just go straight up with your black spot.
Oh, okay. She's over there.
She now let's just turn there.
Oh, okay.
See, she's in
Wow.
green.
Wow. She's out heading to the next bothy.
Yeah.
Good for her.
Go around the back of the.
Yeah. Cool.